but in actuality, okay, it will not be, it will not be correct or to be exact. Okay, and what I can, what I can only like advise you. Okay, so if you will go here, okay, what is the forecast now? 52,000. All right, previous was 22,000. Right? So there is a big difference here, like 30,000, right? Difference. So you see, last month was 22,000. That's why the previous year is 22,000. So the forecast is 52,000. That's a major jump of 30,000. So it means that there's a very big chance or likelihood that there will be a spike by 8:30 tonight. Okay? So either you place your positions as a buyer or a seller during these times. Okay? So how do you know? How do you know that I should buy tonight or I should sell tonight? Now, this is, going to be complicated for you to understand, okay? Because, okay, it involves many things like interest rates, okay? What else? It affects many things you have to consider when trading NFP, okay? Because it's notoriously volatile, okay? And often it surprises both ways. Okay, when you get all, because market reaction depends also on inflation data, okay, the Fed statements, okay, and how the labor report is interpreted, okay, by traders. So if the surprise is in the other direction, okay, stronger than expected, like this night, like tonight, okay, it's stronger than expected, the move could reverse strongly. Okay, and always manage your risk when trading during high impact news. Okay, stop losses. Okay, and position sizing is key here. Okay, now if you have, if you have funds to burn. When I say funds to burn, it's like, okay, you don't care if I lose tonight for this NFP. Okay, the market can take my $100 tonight or $200, whatever. That is your risk. Okay, that is the risk you are willing to take. But if you are right, then expect your funds to double or triple. Okay, based on your position sizing, because this will really push the market to like 100 pips easily. All right. Now, how do you know when to buy or sell? Okay, so it's simply like this. Okay, now, now I don't know how to explain to you because now all this information is coming to you, swiftly, okay, and you cannot absorb all this information. Maybe you cannot really understand what I'm saying. Is this all right? Just always remember, okay? I will type something here in the chart, okay? Always remember this, my friends. This is just a tip, okay? It is not the golden rule here, but okay, weaker jobs, okay, data, okay, means weaker, sorry, means lower yields. All right. So that is bullish. Okay. For XAU USD. Okay. I'm just giving the example for XAUSD, but major pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, NZD USD. Okay, these five, okay, all always go in the same direction. So now you can trade whichever asset you want. But for us, okay, I just give an example, and gold is our favorite. That's how to trade this. Okay. So it means gold tends to rise when they have this data released. Okay. Now, what about for sell? What about for sell? Stronger jobs data. Okay. Stronger jobs data. Okay. Means stronger US dollar. Okay. Which is also means higher yields. Okay. That means it's the opposite for this trade now. So it will be bearish. Okay, bearish for gold or XAU USD. Okay, and by that time, gold will fall to the Titanic. All right, screenshot this secret sauce for tonight, and let's see what will happen if this is true. Okay, so now going back to that page, okay, the forecast is higher, okay, than the previous. So that means, my friend, that means what? One thing only, okay? We will buy tonight, okay? Now, 10 more minutes to go. I will uh, I will have a screen here. Okay. Now some people, okay, really really trade this NFP news. Okay, what they will do in the 1 minute, they will place a buy and a sell order beneath the price. Okay, if you will buy above the price, if you will sell below the price. So how to do that? If I will buy, okay, because now it's buying here because now the candle went down, so now it's selling. But how to make this? Okay. Okay. Add an order. Okay, you have to be very fast. Okay, this is 20 in gold in TradingView is $2 per pip, I believe. Okay, so you will put a buy stop. Okay, go to stop, buy stop. So if you want to buy above this price before 8:30, okay, knowing this will be very volatile, okay. What is the current price now? 3861. So 3868. Okay, we will place a buy stop order here. So that's what you will do. 3868. 0.00. Okay, that's a good round number. Okay, that's a buy stop. So you will place it like that. So it's there now. Okay. When price will hit this, it will trigger the buy order and it will go there. If, hopefully you will be in the right direction. Now, if you want to sell, okay, okay, that's a buy. What about the sell? Okay, you could sell price at somewhere here. Okay, 3854.00. So that's the sell order now. So whichever direction uh, the price will go, then you can, for example, suddenly there's a big spike there going to the upside, then that's the time you need to close the sell order. But it will be very fast. I don't know how fast you can close either trade because sometimes it will sweep the sell side and then reverse that. Now you are in the negative. Okay, you are now in the when you are selling because it triggered that very fast. So that's why, my friend, okay, you have to be like accept the fact that anything can happen in the news. Okay, so only risk what you are willing to lose, regardless of the outcome of the news. Okay, so now I've already set the buy and sell orders here, and we will see what will happen at 8:30. Okay, now I have here something to show you. Now, like 6 minutes or 5 minutes to go. We have to go. We have to start now and see this. Okay. Zoe, can you see the Zoe now? Can you confirm to me, please? All right. My God. Okay, sorry for that audio technicalities again. Okay, can everyone? Okay, can you hear me again? Okay. Now, I think you're using Zoe now. Okay, we will now put a buy order. Okay, where? Okay, 3863. Okay, I will put a buy order. Okay, market execution to buy stop 3865.00. of 0.50. Okay, $5 right now. 3 minutes left, right? Okay. Can you see the Zoe screen? Can you see this? No movement. Huh? Can you see the Zoe screen? Okay, we're back. Okay, my friends, 2 minutes. Let's try this, okay? So put a buy stop order there, and we will now see if our prediction in this news is correct. Okay, I put a buy stop at 3865.00. Let's see. One more minute. Okay, I hope you can see Zoe's screen, huh? Can you confirm to me? All right. Any second now, my friends. Okay? Hmm. Nothing. No impact? Wow. Nothing happened, my friends. It seems this tentative was correct. Nothing happened today. Wow, this is my first time to experience this. Okay, I don't know when they will release this news, but that's a shame, my friends. Okay, we were all expecting something. Yes, yes. I don't know what's your name, sir. 370931. I don't want to trade with that long, sir. You see, my friends, that I'm just showing you, okay, the actualities here, okay? Some, not all, okay, of course, not all, but many traders, okay, are doing this, okay? I'm showing you now here, okay? They will put a buy stop order there. So if it will suddenly spike there, they will close sell, or if it is going down, they will close buy. That's it to capitalize. And then, this could go hundreds of pips down on either side, down or up, and maybe it will reach 3816 or 3812. Then they will suddenly close the trade and, capitalize already. So that's what I mean. Okay, not only NFP, PPI, CPI, all these high impact or red folder news, they are doing these things. Okay, because when they get the hang of this and majority of their predictions are going in their way, then this is you can say this is not a bad trade idea or bad plan for these kinds of things. So you see now it's going to hit our buy stop order now, but in trading view, where is that? Sorry. Yes, in Forex Factory, it's still tentative. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe it was postponed, or maybe it will be next Friday. But that's what NFP is all about. Okay, so it's up to you now if you will. Mine is just 5 seconds. Yes, you can. But uh, there's a rule in high impact news. Okay, especially the red folders. This will last approximately 10 to 15 minutes of high impact news, okay? Of price action going in the other direction. So if you'll go this way, expect it to keep on going within 10 to 15 minutes before it will slow down and subside. Same to the downside. And for many years or occasions, I've seen this high impact news go. It will last 10 to 15 minutes, and by then I will be out the trade if ever I was able to ride this trend. Okay, now it's hit our buy order. Now it's starting to gain some profit here with that $5,000 account. Let's see, where is that? Okay. Oh, it's nice to look at when you are in profit. You see, my friends? Oh, I didn't see it. Wait, I'll share it again. Okay, can you see it now? Wow, we are in profit of 160 dollars, but now it's going down. I don't know why. This is trading, my friends. Okay, but at least we have something, huh? Please don't go down. Okay, 135. Not bad, not bad. So that's my point there. Okay, if the news was released officially, for sure this will go to the moon, and we are in the thousands with this $5 position size, and that'll be very very nice. So now I'm closing this. Okay, I don't want to lose any more of this money. Okay, maybe I can wait for some seconds, reaching $200 at least. But that's the point. Okay, my friends. So closing this now. There we are. We have gained $116 in a couple of minutes. So that's it. That's what you will do in Zoe only. Okay. I hope you've already know. Who among you don't know how to use Zoe here? Anyone? Hello, Sir Herbert. Nice to see you here, sir. Roger, Wong, Leon, and 370931. Do you know how to use Zoe now to place the trades? First time here. Yo, hello, welcome, sir. Yes. What is your name? So I can address you properly. May we know your name, sir? Are you a male or a female? Shervy. So you're a female, huh? I assume. Are you from Philippines? Okay. Sorry for that technicalities again. Okay. Can you hear me again, my friends? All right. Thank you, Hygia. So that's how you use Zoe. Okay. For Jervy, please, I uh, I invite you, okay, to join Zoe as your broker. Okay. If you will deposit $100, okay, you will get $50 extra. And if you will deposit $200, $250, yes, $250. Sorry, if you will deposit $500, you will get $250 extra. And if you will deposit 1,000, you will get $500 extra in your trading account because Algoter has a 50% giveaway deposit bonus. Okay, so if you are interested in joining Zoe and Algoter and trade and capitalize every day, I better suggest. My friends, I will just speak in my laptop's or I don't know webcam speaker here. Can you hear me? Okay, my friends. So that's basically it. Okay, so going back to Shervy, you can always contact our Algoter managers, and they will gladly assist you in your queries. Any questions, they will assist you. Okay, and I want you to avail this 50% deposit bonus so you can have more money, free money, to trade and you know grow more in the coming days. How many years have you been trading, if I may ask? Have you, okay, for Shervy, you're a beginner. Like how many months? Oh, for months, days only, huh? Okay. If you are, oh, just a week, wow. You have many things to learn. You have many things to learn in trading. And we are conducting these webinars twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. But today, we started at 8 p.m. because of this high impact news. And unfortunately, there was no high impact news this night because it was tentative. Usually, this comes at around 8:30 p.m. this Friday, but things happen. Ah, really? Yeah, you have attended the radio. Very good. So thank you for joining. And as I have said, I am inviting you to have this 50% deposit bonus. Okay, install Zoe, uh, the Zoe app. You can, if you are an iOS user, you can go to App Store, or if you are an Android user, you can go to the Play Store and download the Zoe app. Okay. All right. And hope you will avail that 50% deposit bonus. Okay. Yeah, ano, dollar. Okay, it will convert automatically. Okay, just contact our Algoter managers and they will assist you in depositing these accounts. Okay, and just now, okay, it's very easy. Just go to the App Store or Play Store and search Zoe. Okay, I will show you. Okay. Oh, now we are $20 here, huh? Very good. Okay. So let me again share this. Okay. We'll go to, okay, I'm using an iPhone. So App Store. Okay. And then search Zoe, Zoe. And there it is. Okay. There's Zoe. And you can install this in your phone now if you are an iOS user or an iPhone user. Okay. But for Play Store, you can do the same. Okay. If there's any issue with the Play Store, uh, there will be an APK installer for Android. Okay. Normally we are using Gcash only for deposit and withdrawal. For withdrawal, yes. Actually, I can vouch that I am withdrawing money from Zoe and it's going directly to my Gcash account. Okay, so don't worry about that. You will have this withdrawal within hours. If you requested to withdraw by morning, by maximum late afternoon, okay, you will have your money. Okay, don't worry. But for the deposits, uh, there's many ways also to deposit using a bank transfer. Okay, and I don't know if they change it now, but that time the banks is through Security Bank. Okay, you can do that, and you can also do this using USDT to deposit this amount of monies. Okay, so I hope you will consider this proposal, and you can benefit from this 50% deposit bonus. All right. So going back to, okay, until now it didn't go. So yes, you see, there's a star there. Is very special because this is not, I don't know. Something happened today. I don't know. It will be nice if we've seen some spike there. But now, my bias was correct. I need to buy. Okay, even though there is no news released, but maybe I was just lucky. I don't know. I pressed the right button to trade. I went buy. Now this is going $50, right? So my friends, that's all for tonight's webinar. Okay. I hope you made that screenshot of that cheat code, that secret sauce, when to buy.
or when to sell during NFP news. All right. Always visit Forex Factory and look out for these red folders. Okay, because here, okay, for example, if you go to filter, okay, just remove everything here, but leave the red folder. Okay, leave the red folder and for all the currencies, okay, and then apply filter, and all the red folders will be available for you to see, okay, by Saturday. Okay, next week, these are next week's red folders, okay. There's one in October 7th, Tuesday, and three on October 8th. Okay, but depends on your asset. Okay, if you are trading the GBP USD, so you have to be aware of this. And now FOMC unemployment claims. These are also high impact news. Si tentative also. I don't know why. Okay, unemployment claims. And Friday, wow, there's a lot. NFP again. So they move it to next Friday. Maybe we can, but it's still tentative, huh? I don't know, my friends. Okay, next Friday, if there's a chance, or maybe next, well, but since this falls on a Friday, then we have to have a webinar again on a Friday. But who knows? Anything can go. I'm just showing you that be very careful during these times. Okay, these dates, everything is there. Okay, you cannot blame the market that you don't know about these things because this is already announced in advance. Okay, Forex Factory is informing you in advance. Even if you go to the month of December, there's already high impact news there in advance. Okay, so don't blame the market when it hit your stop loss or burn your capital because you didn't visit Forex Factory. Yeah. Okay, my friends, and hope we'll see each other again next time by Tuesday. There is no webinar because it's a holiday. Okay, our Algoter managers are in a holiday next Tuesday. That's why we have this webinar this Friday. To what do you call, to cover Tuesday's absence. Okay, my friends. I hope you've learned something today, which will can help you in your trading, and hopefully we will have some more of this in the future, and engage more in this discussion. All right, Sir Roger, thank you, sir, for attending tonight's webinar. And I think I've mentioned the rest of you tonight. And thank you again for joining, and have a nice weekend, my friends. All right. So until we meet again, good night and bye bye.